Alright guys, so I'll be demonstrating to you how to change the phone in Shopify, and this really plays a significant role in establishing your brand identity. You want to create your dropshipping store, you want to develop your business, know the basics. And now I'm just saying, even if you're hiring someone, even though you might hire someone or you just want to learn for yourself, can really drastically help you increase your readability. Maybe the font that's on the screen, it's easier to read than others, so others they're gonna have an easy time reading the screen, while others they're gonna actually have a hard time. So learning how to change the fonts allows you to really choose fonts that enhance the readability of your product description, size charts, and other store content. And this can lead to better user experience and potentially fewer customer support inquiries. Alright, so less people they're gonna even more potential clients, or people that are gonna buy a product, because sometimes people try to read something, they get pissed off their phone, and oh, I'm just gonna leave. So let me show you what you can fix this problem. So what you have to do is to go to online store here, and then here we can click on customize. So let's customize this website. This is just a testing website, but so show you, I have to go to theme settings here, and here we have couple of options. So we have typography. So if I click on change now, also it shows here, but it will show actually on the other side as well for something. So here I'm gonna zoom out, and here you see typography, headings. I can click on change. Now I can click to this one. So now it's changed. You can increase the size. Actually, the size changed. Font, I can change this one as well. A better readability. This one is kind of the same. As you can see, this here changed as well. And we have here font scale. If you want to scale your font, as you can see, it increased. Now maybe you would like to see the header here, right? So here, on top of your your text, maybe you like to change your color as well. So you can do it from here, and you can add some border margin if you want to, or you can remove that, or you can add some padding. Anyways, and for the image, we have here our images, or we can add, let's say, a video here. Actually, you can add an image, but maybe later on you'll want to add a video. Stack images on mobile, show container. This is how it look on mobile. But to be quite honest, this font is like kind of annoying. So no worries, I'm gonna click on change here and grab one that is more luxury, more of a luxury font. Let's change this one with something more luxuries. Okay, I'll try this one. Let's see. Okay, this looks nice. Okay, even the products. I can click here on the products. Here I can go to collection, default collection. I can add this to this cards here. I changed that from add to cart, so stay, save, and then I'm going here, and then I'm going back to in here, edit default theme, and I'm right here, add to cart, or add actually, because let's try like this, add to. So let me write this. Okay, you see here, add cart, sir. So you can change this to the way it was, or to cart. Okay, and now it worked. So that's how you do it.